Hi guys, and welcome to my third vlog. Today we have come to a place which is not Lonavala, not Pune, not Karjat, and not Mahabaleshwar. Today we have come to this town. It is called as Mangaon, and we have come to this resort. It is called Karvanda Nature Stay. So there is a concept called as agro-tourism, which is picking up pace now. So we have come to explore this beautiful resort and this beautiful town called Mangaon. And the best part about this resort is that it is pet friendly. So we also have got Eva along with us. So let's go ahead and explore this beautiful place. So this is the area where lunch is served. That is again a dining area. You can either sit inside or you can sit here outside, gazing at the nature. We are currently sitting on this table so that we can have Eva on the side. So I'll get my food and then I'll show you what we have for lunch today. So stay tuned. So they serve home cooked food here. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is पनीर की सब्जी, this is छोले, this is some सूखा chicken, this is chapati, this is one of my favorites, aloo vadi, and to top it all, they also have puran poli. So that's Apurva enjoying her meal, and I think it's time for me to also enjoy my meal, and we will see you after this one. Hi Raja. Hi. So this is our cottage. It has a nice sit-out area outside. And it is very lighty-mighty, and it is a very well-designed cottage, I would say, with use of lot of colors, a big comfortable bed, and a nice couch where we have all our stuff at this point. That's Apurva. And this is the view outside our cottage, where we have all the greenery that we can want. So till now the experience is very good, and अभी हम जा रहे हैं थोड़ा बहुत और एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए इस रिजॉर्ट में, इस नेचर स्टे को completely. So stay tuned. There are totally 5 cottages here, and this is the play area. Yeah. You can play dart, or you can hire a bicycle and go out on a trail ride, or if you like, you can play table tennis, or you can play carom, whatever you like. So for dinner they have served us home cooked chicken curry with some jeera rice, and also for vegetarians they have veg biryani, moong and palak paneer. And for dessert they have this very special ukdise modak, which is a Maharashtrian dish, as dessert. But boss, this thing is the real meat. Like this is soul curry. It really touches your soul. It's that good. So let's enjoy the dinner and meet you soon. Hey, so good morning everyone. तो कल शाम को हम लोग ने यहाँ पे बहुत एंजॉय किया. मैंने और अपूर्वा ने यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारा बैडमिंटन खेला. कुछ 1 घंटे तक हम लोग खेलते रहे बैडमिंटन. उसके बाद हम लोग ने ईवा के साथ भी काफ़ी अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड किया यहाँ पे. उसको बहुत दौड़ाया यहाँ पे. सो शी एन्जॉयड दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑल्सो अलॉट. एंड अब सुबह हो चुकी है तो हमने मंगवाई है यहाँ पे चाय. एंड चाय पीने के बाद हम थोड़ा सा और प्रॉपर्टी को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. एंड उसके बाद आज हम चेकआउट करेंगे फ्रॉम दिस ब्यूटीफुल नेचर स्टे. सो हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 ही दिन के लिए आए थे. बट अब हमें लग रहा है कि शायद 2 दिन का स्टे करते तो और मज़ा आता. बट कोई बात नहीं, अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम. सो फिर तब तक स्टे ट्यून्ड. सो गाइज, हम जैसे अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करके आए, उसके बाद रूम पे आके हम लोग रेडी हो गए अपने घर की तरफ निकलने के लिए. सो अभी हम यहाँ से निकलेंगे एंड हम आज का व्लॉग यहीं पे ख़त्म करेंगे. सो इसके पहले आप सिर्फ थोड़ा सा यहाँ का लास्ट व्यू भी देख लो. एंड अगर यहाँ तक आपने देख ही लिया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब किए बिना मत जाना. सो थैंक यू एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. पीस.